How to make a triple crochet. The first step is to make your foundation chain. So I'll go ahead and make my foundation chain now, and I'll be right back to show you. Here is my foundation chain. So let's begin our triple crochet. So to start your triple crochet, what you are going to be doing is very simple. Triple crochet and double crochet, they are kind of similar, but they are different. So guys, this is how to do your triple crochet. You yarn over 2 times. Yarn over, that's 1. Then you yarn over again. You yarn over again, that's 2. Then you insert your hook into the second chain. Then now you yarn over and you pull out a loop. Right now we are having 4 loops on our crochet hook. Then you yarn over and you pull through 2. It's remaining 3 now. Then you yarn over again and you pull through 2. Yarn over again and you pull through the remaining 2 loops on your pin. That's how you'll be doing your triple crochet. So let's start another one. So you yarn over 2 times. 1, 2. Then you insert your hook into the next chain. Then you yarn over and you pull out a loop. Right now, if you count it, we are having 4 loops on your crochet hook. We are having 4 loops. So right now you yarn over and you pull through 2. You yarn over again. It's remaining 3 right now. The loops is remaining 3 right now. Then you yarn over and you pull through 2 loops. It's remaining 2. Then you yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. That's it. Very simple. So guys, can you see it? Let's try that together again. Go ahead and yarn over 2 times. Yarn over 2 times. After that, you now insert your hook into the next chain. Then you yarn over and you pull out a loop. Can you see that we are now having 4 loops on our crochet pin? Then you now yarn over and you pull through 2 first. Can you see that it's 4 now that we have? Then yarn over and you pull through 2. Now it's remaining 3, right? Then you yarn over again and you pull through 2 again. Now we have 2 left. Then you yarn over and you pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's it, guys. So let's try together again. Yarn over 2 times. 1, 2. Then you now insert your hook into the next chain. Yarn over again and you pull out a loop. And you see it right now, we're having 4 loops, right? Then you yarn over and you pull through 2. We're having 3 loops, right? Then yarn over and you pull through 2. Then yarn over again and you pull through the remaining 2 loops. And you see what we have. So let's do it together for the last time before I go ahead and do it off camera. Yarn over again, that's 2 times. Then you insert your hook into the next chain. Then you yarn over and you now pull out a loop like this. Yarn. Now we have 4 loops, right? 4 loops. Then yarn over again. Let me do that again. Let me quickly show you again. Yarn over 2 times. 1, 2. Then you insert your hook into the next chain. Then you yarn over and you pull out a loop. Now we are having 4, right? We have 4 loops on our pin. Then yarn over and you pull through 2. Yarn over and put through another 2 again. Then you yarn over and put through the remaining 2 on your pin, so that this is how you will continue doing it. And I'll be right back to show you what I have. So guys, I'm done with this row and this is exactly what I have. So to continue your project, the next thing is to turn your work. Chain 1 first. You have to chain 1 first before you turn your work and continue another row. Chain 1. Then you turn your work like this. Then after that, you now continue the same thing you did on the row 1. So this is exactly what you're going to be doing. You yarn over 2 times. 1, 2. Then you insert your hook inside the first chain. Then you yarn over and pull out a loop. Then you yarn over and put through 2. You see it, yarn over and put through 2 again. Then you yarn over and put through the last 2 loops on your pin. That's exactly what you are going to be doing. Can you see that? It's very simple. So let's try that together again. Yarn over 2 times. 1, 2. Then you insert your hook into the next chain. Then you yarn over and pull out a loop. Then you yarn over and put through 2 loops. Yarn over again and put through 2 loops. Then you yarn over and put through the last 2 loops on your pin. And this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. Then I get to the last chain of this row, and I'll go ahead and do about 4 rows. Then I'll be right back to show you the outcome of this stitch. And as you can see that I'm on my second row, so I'll go ahead and do the remaining one off camera, and I'll be right back to show you what I have. So guys, this is the outcome of this project. Can you see how neat it is? It is very neat and it is very straight. So here is your assignment. Go ahead and make yours. Make 10 rows of a triple crochet, and bye. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.